In this video, let us continue to solve some problems based on surface area of a cone. The question reads like this. The radius and height of the cone are in the ratio of 4:3. The area of the base is 154 centimeters square. Find the area of the curved surface. Now read this very carefully. The radius and the height of the cone. It's not the slant height, but it's just the height. Let me draw a figure. This is what we're talking about. This is the height, h. So let us take the radius to be r centimeters and height to be h centimeters. Now, the ratio of r to h is given as 4/3. Now let r be equal to 4x and h be equal to 3x. Now, the area of the base is given as 154 centimeters square. Now, as we all know, the base is a circular shape. So, the area of a circular shape or a circle is pi r square, which is equal to 154 centimeters square. So, r square equals 154 divided by pi, which is 22/7. So, divided by 22/7, it will automatically come on top. Now, let us substitute r as 4x. We've taken it as 4x. We don't know what is r. So 4x the whole square equals 154 into 7/22, which is nothing but 16x square equals 154 into 7/22. So x square equals 49/16 on simplification. This goes 7 times in this. And 7 into 7 is 49 and 16 comes down. So x square is equal to 49/16 and x equals root of 49/16. So therefore x equals root of 49 is 7 and root of 16 is 4. So x equals 7/4. Now let us substitute the value of 7/4 in 4x and 3x to respectively find r and h. So we have r has 4 into 7/4, which is nothing but 7 centimeters. And we have h as 3 into 7/4, which is 21/4 centimeters. So we found r and h, but what are they asking? They're asking the area of the curved surface. The area of the curved surface is given by pi r L, not h. So we found h, this one, but we need to find L. Now what do we do for that? Now we know that this is a right angle triangle. So we know h, we know r, we just need to find L. So let us use the Pythagorean theorem and find out the value of L. So we have L square equal to r square plus h square, because L is the hypotenuse here, and therefore it follows that L square is equal to r square plus h square. So L equals root of r is nothing but 7 square plus h is nothing but 21/4 the whole square. On simplification, we get L equal to 35/4 centimeters. So therefore, now let us substitute the values of pi, r and L in the formula of the curved surface area and find the same. So S equals 22/7, r is 7 and L is 35/4. So we have the curved surface area as 192.5 centimeters square on solving this. So this ends this problem. Let us solve another problem. So here we have another question which involves a corn cob, because it is the shape of a cone. A corn cob shaped somewhat like a cone has the radius of its broadest end as 2.1 centimeter and the length as 20 centimeter. If each 1 centimeter square of the surface of the cob carries an average of 4 grains, find how many grains you would find on the entire cob. So let us replicate this in the form of a cone. So say this is what we have. So the data given here is like this. The radius of its broadest end is 2.1 centimeters. So this is 2.1 centimeters. And the length is 20 centimeters. The length is clearly not slant length because nothing like that is mentioned. So it is the straight height, which is this. So now if each 1 centimeter square of the surface of the cob carries an average of 4 grains, find how many grains you would find on the entire cob. So the entire cob that we're talking about is only the curved surface area. So we basically have to find what is the total number of grains is present on the curved surface area. Now, how do we go about doing this? Now, for each 1 centimeter square, there are 4 grains. So let us find the curved surface area and multiply that by 4. And then we get, for the total curved surface area, what is the number of grains. So now we have R equals 2.1 and H equals 20 centimeters. But to find the curved surface area, we definitely need the slant height because S equals pi RL. So therefore, we know that from the Pythagoras theorem, L square equals R square plus H square. L equals root of R is 2.1, so 2.1 square plus H is 20 square. Now L equals root of 404.41. Solving this, we get L as 20.11 centimeters. So now all we have to do is just substitute in pi RL the values of pi, which is 22 by 7, radius is 2.1, and the slant height is 20.11. So solving this, we get 132.726 centimeters square. Or let us cut it down to 2 decimals, 132.73 centimeters square. Now, the total number of the corn grains is 4 per 1 centimeter square. So for 132.73 centimeters square, we will have 132.73 into 4 grains per centimeter square, which is nothing but 530.92. So approximately, estimating it, 531 grains of corn on the cob.